In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a blog to your Wix website. So for this, you want to sign in on Wix, go to the backend of your site, click on Site Actions, and then right there you'll find Edit Site. So once you click right there, it will send you over to this page where you can go into the editing stuff on your site. So this is the backend, and this is where you can edit your website. So what you can do is click on the Add button right there. And then if you go all the way down, you'll find blog. You want to click on that. You can then add blog elements such as a custom feed. You can add a post list and all of this stuff over here, right? So you can add all of these blogs sections on your normal website, or you can also turn this website into a blog. But in this case, my website already is a blog, of course. But if it's not, you can go to my blog over here and you can then turn it into a blog. So this is where I can create a post and manage my blog posts. And yeah, that's pretty much how you can add a blog to your website. So right there, I can add more blog elements. And yeah, that's pretty much how you can do this. All you need to do is click on one of them that you would like to add, and then it will load. And you can then pretty much start customizing it. For example, you can click on it, you can manage it, change the settings and all of that good stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can do this. If this quick video helps you out, leave a like, and then I'll see you in the next one.